Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up fingerprint on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, tap on device unlock, then tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Now from here, just select fingerprint, then tap on next. Now from here, just select your password type. Now you have the option of numeric, alphanumeric, and a pattern. For now, I will select numeric. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on next. Now from here, just create a lock screen pin. Then tap on use. Now just enter your pin one more time to confirm your pin. Now to register your fingerprint, just tap on the fingerprint sensor on your Oppo phone. The fingerprint sensor is on the power button on our Oppo phone. Just like that. Now just slide your finger on the fingerprint sensor to register your fingerprint. Just like that. Now once you register your fingerprint, then tap on done. Now if you want to set a face unlock, just tap on enroll. Otherwise, you can tap on cancel. Now as you can see, we have successfully set up fingerprint on our Oppo phone. And this is how you can set up fingerprint on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.